Hello, my name is Shalmali Padhe and I am going to present some information about Pancha Mahabhuta, that is 5 gross elements. Pancha Mahabhuta word consists of 3 different words, Pancha, Maha and Bhuta, in which the word Bhuta is derived from Sanskrit root word Bhu. Bhu means one that exists. Bhuta is one that exists. Bhu Sattayam iti Bhuta. Bhutas are Nitya, Sukshma. These are the causative factors of Mahabhuta and Karya Dravyas. Now let's come to word Mahabhuta, the gross elements. Mahanti Bhutani Mahabhutani. Bhutas are called as Mahabhuta after they attain grossness. Maha means gross. These forms of Bhuta is one that exists in everything in the universe. There are total 5 types of Mahabhuta in the universe. That's why it is known as Pancha Mahabhuta. The whole creation of universe depends upon these 24 tattvas or factors. And this creation starts from Prakriti and ends with Mahabhutas. There are 5 tanmatras present in these 24 tattvas, which are namely Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa and Gandha. Mahabhuta. Evolution of Akash Mahabhuta is the smallest divisible part of any matter. Akash Mahabhuta is space without which matter cannot exist. It has properties of Shabda Tanmatra and its main property is non-resistance. Second one is Vayu Mahabhut. Vayu Mahabhut is evolved from Akash Mahabhut. It inherits the properties of Sparsha Tanmatra and it is evolved from Akash Mahabhuta. It also inherits the properties of Shabda Tanmatra. Chalatva is main property of Vayu Mahabhut. Third one is Agni Mahabhut. Agni Mahabhut is evolved from Vayu Mahabhut. It inherits the property of Rupa Tanmatra and as it is evolved from Vayu Mahabhut, it also inherits the properties of Shabda and Sparsha Tanmatra. Sense of vision is main properties of Agni Mahabhut. Next is Aap Mahabhut. The Aap Mahabhut is evolved from Agni Mahabhut. It has the main properties of Rasa Tanmatra and as it is inherit from the previous Mahabhut, it also has the properties of Shabda, Sparsha and Rupa Tanmatras. Dravatva is main property of Aap Mahabhut. The last one is Prithvi Mahabhut. Prithvi Mahabhut is evolved from Apa Mahabhut. The main sense of this Mahabhut is smell, Gandha, and the main property of this is roughness or Kharata. As all things in this universe are made up of Pancha Mahabhuta, 3 doshas in our body are also made up of Pancha Mahabhuta. Vata dosh is formed by Vayu and Akash Mahabhut, Pitta dosh is formed by Agni, and Kapha dosh is formed by Jala and Prithvi Mahabhut. Similarly, there is relation of Pancha Mahabhuta with the organs in our body, especially the sense organs of our body. For example, first one, by the predominance of Akash Mahabhut, auditory organs, sounds, different types of channels, that is throtas, are formed in our body. Differentiation of organs are done because of the Akash Mahabhut. Second one is Vayu Mahabhut. By the predominance of Vayu Mahabhut, skin, touch senses, respiration and different motor action in our body are controlled. By the predominance of Agni Mahabhut, eyes, heat, digestion, complexion of a body, temperature of the body, intelligence, tejas and courage can be maintained. Next, Jala Mahabhut. Jala Mahabhut is responsible for the formation of tongue, sweat, moisture, fat, blood, semen, urine, other liquid constituents, laxity and unctuousness in our body. Last one, by the predominance of Prithvi Mahabhut, nose, smell, hairs, nails, bones, stability, that is Sthiratva, in our body are kept maintained. Now, importance of Pancha Mahabhuta in Ayurveda. Ayurveda, like the other darshanas, believes that Pancha Mahabhuta are the basic constituent of everything in the creation. Like according to Ayurveda, in Chikitsa or treatments and the formation of medicine are totally depends upon the Pancha Mahabhuta and its qualities. Also, body, organ, dosha, dhatu, upadhatu, mala are all the Karya Dravyas of Pancha Mahabhuta. That is, all these factors are derived from Pancha Mahabhuta. Prakriti or body constitution of person depends upon the dominance of a particular Pancha Mahabhuta in the person. Qualities of any dravyas depends upon its constituent Mahabhuta. This knowledge of necessary to choose a drug in the treatment or a disease. So the study of Pancha Mahabhuta and its qualities are very important in Ayurveda. So now I would like to conclude all the topic we discussed before about Panchamahabhuta. According to Ayurveda, Sarvam Dravyam Panchabhautikam Asmin Arthe. That means all the substance in universe contains Panchamahabhuta in it. And it can be applicable in our daily life also. For example, in rice, uncooked rice contains Prithvi Mahabhuta in it. But when we boil that rice, we add water in it, and that's why it becomes Prithvi plus Jala. And Shadrasas, that means all six tastes in our food, also contains different combination of Panchamahabhuta in it. For example, in lemon, it sour in taste, and it contains Prithvi plus Agni Mahabhut, where Agni Mahabhut represents the burning sensation in it. And last but not the least, application of Panchamahabhuta in treatment according to Ayurveda. For example, in kidney stone, the water content in our urine get decreases, and that is Jala Mahabhut get decreases, and Prithvi Mahabhut get increases, and it leads to accumulation of urea in our kidney in the form of stones. So in treatment of kidney stone, we should do exact opposite of this. So one should give the medicine which contains more Jala Mahabhut, and it will leads to increase in Jala Mahabhut in that stone, and it will helps to cure the kidney stone.